Day two of a massive roadblock in northern Trelawny as angry residents vented their frustration with the poor road conditions. They used large trees and boulders to block several roads from Granville through Bounty Hall into Wakefield, as well as the Dumfries Main Road, which leads from Trelawny into St. James. TVJ's Lana Franklin reports from our Western Bureau in Montego Bay.
When we drive in a taxi, we have to ball out and they tell the driver take time. When we come out of the taxi, I'll pain in my back. Right? Because of the bad road condition.
Several potholes and craters filled with water lined the roadways as our news team was forced to park our vehicle and be transported some 7 miles via motorcycles. We passed several residents along the roadway trying to make their way out on foot. At least 5 schools have been affected by the roadblocks, some forced to close their doors for the 2 days, while few students turned out for classes at other institutions. The Mushet High School principal, Leighton Johnson, says the closure of school for the 2 days will certainly affect his students, especially now that they are preparing for end-of-term exams and the upcoming CSEC exams. He added that the roadway leading to his school is cause for concern as students have fallen victim to robbery due to the state of the road.
In the evenings, especially when students are to go back to Adelphi, Dumfries, Somerton and to Montego Bay, when students have the extra lessons, the extra classes, we have to, as best as possible, encourage them not to walk alone.
And principal for the Granville Primary School, Ivanhoe Gordon, says his school experienced low turnout for the 2 days.
Yesterday we were down about 50%. Today we are low, because quite a number of our students come from that catchment area.
Taxi operators who ply several roads in Trelawny say the poor road condition of the roads is costing them.
I operate a bus from Wakefield to Mobile for the past 5 years, and every year when I check my overhead expense, I brush sometime all 60,000–70,000 just the front end parts alone.
Meanwhile, Councillor for the Wakefield Division, Jonathan Bartley, says he is calling for an audit to be done on the major thoroughfare.
Every time they come saying that they're repairing, they're fixing, they're patching, and the amount of money that we are hearing that they are spending on this road, we are not seeing it.
The residents say they will continue to block the roads until they have been addressed by their Member of Parliament, Victor Wright. Several calls to Mr. Wright's cell phone went unanswered. Lana Franklin, TVJ News.